Hey everyone, this is Judy with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. In this video, I'm going to be setting up the week of January 31st through February 6th in my dashboard planner, which I use for social media. And the theme I'm going with doesn't come from a challenge. It's just a theme I like to do every year since I spent some time working and living in Asia. I spent some months working in Shanghai, and I was there over Chinese New Year, and then the following year I spent some time working in Tokyo, again over the New Year, not the Chinese New Year, but the Lunar New Year. So anyway, every year I like to take one of my planners and do a spread acknowledging the Lunar New Year, and it starts on, it's a day. This year it's Tuesday, February 1st, but like Asian countries, this is their big holiday, right? So they shut down for at least a week, sometimes 2 weeks for this holiday. So I have this scrapbook paper pad. I'm almost positive I got it at, I know I got it at Joann's a while back. So I don't, but Joann doesn't turn theirs over as much as Michael's, so you might still be able to find it. Anyway, I pulled this sheet of paper out because I just love the gold foil Chinese characters. I, of course, have no idea what they say, but I'm not going to let that bother me. I'm going to make sure that they're right side up at least. So if anybody's seeing this, you know, I don't want to offend anybody because it's upside down or whatever. You know, the old, what was it, Friends or Seinfeld episode where the person gets the Chinese tattoo and it turns out it says soup instead of courage or something like that. I mean, I don't know what this says, but I just love it. It's so beautiful. I just think the Asian characters are just absolutely gorgeous. So you guessed it. I'm going to grab this corner of the page, or maybe the top corner, just because the writing is a little narrower there and I can fit a little bit more of a to-do box. I'm going to write right on this with black. It's going to show up over the red just fine. And then I have, of course, I have some Simply Gilded washi tape. I love this, the little Happy Cat washi tape from Simply Gilded. I definitely like to use this every year, so we're going to use this. And then I have some red and gold Stardust washi. So the colors for Chinese New Year, like for us, for Christmas, it's red and green. For Chinese New Year, for Lunar New Year, it's red and gold. And this year, and this is what got me so super excited about doing this spread this year, guys, is the year of the tiger. And I was like, what? I don't have, this is going to have to be good enough. I don't have a tiger. And then, you guys, I remembered I have the Amy Tangerine book from American Crafts that was in Joann's a while back. Like, a while back, I'm talking years ago, like 3-4 years ago. And this sticker book has 2 tigers in it, you guys. I could see them in my head. There they are. And so these are going on the spread for the year of the tiger. I'm so excited about this spread now, you guys. When I remembered I had those tigers and I saw them and they had gold foil and would match this page, I was just so excited. So first thing we're going to do, I get my giant paper trimmer out, cut this down to size, and then punch it. We'll see if I can cut it straight this week, unlike last week. So gorgeous. Oh my gosh. So let's pick a January. So I have my Januaries that I cut myself. And I just kind of want like a fun kind of spiky one like this one. Feels like kind of similar to these. And it's nice and bold, so it should show up. So let's grab that one. I'm just going to stick it right over top of everything. I think it'll... Actually, you know what? Maybe I'll put it over here because I think I don't want it over the writing. And you know what? I'm going to move it down because I know I want some washi tape up there. So let's put it there. Well, you know what? Let's stick the washi tape on first. So just to make sure I get it in the right spot. Okay, so I was thinking, I love when the Stardust kind of looks like it's raining down. So I was thinking I wanted this washi tape over here. Oops. Like this. And then I think I want these, the Happy Hello Kitties. They're not Hello Kitty, but they're like, you put them in your doorway, And they're supposed to bring the people that come into your house, like bring you good luck and stuff. So I'm kind of thinking I want them down here. Yeah, let's do it. The question is just, do I put it over the Chinese characters? If I do the top one over the Chinese characters, I should do the bottom one over the Chinese characters. If I don't do both, then I don't want to do both. So actually, you know what, you guys? If I put this over the top all the way to the edge, then I could put the January on it. Let's do it. Because those are chopped off anyway, so... And then maybe I'll go ahead and go over... I think I'll go ahead and go over the 2022 on this one, too. It might show through. A little bit. It doesn't need to, it's okay. Okay, now let's see about where this January can go. I'm just going to cut this off a little more even since I got my scissors handy. Yeah, now I'm kind of thinking maybe I do want to go ahead and put it... I could put... Ooh! What if I put it this way, you guys? In that space? Let's do that. Sometimes you see it turn sideways. That's pretty cool. Incidentally, Asian writing, you read it from top to bottom, and I believe you read from right to left. So it actually is kind of fun that I put that sideways now that I'm thinking about it. So, all right, let's go ahead then. I do want to go ahead and put this one, I think. Yeah, I think I want it all the way across the bottom. Why not? Although, yeah, because then the tigers can kind of be standing on it. You know what I mean? I'm weird like that. I like to have a floor. Is that too much? I don't think it will be once I get more red on the page. It's pretty stark right now. But once I get more on the page, I think it'll be better. Next thing I want to do, let's go ahead and pull my YouTube video sticker for up here. Or maybe I'll just use YouTube this week because I know I have a kitty that's got the red YouTube logo that I don't use very often because it's red. And I rarely do spreads where red can work. So let's pull one of those. Yeah, one of these guys from Sticker Fever. Okay, let's put this up here. It's totally fine that it goes over the washi tape a little bit. However, though, I'm going to need to write right there. So let's put it down here because I don't need all the way over to the edge. So that, yeah, I like that better. Okay, so far so good. Let's look at these tigers, you guys. I definitely want a tiger right here. So I think I want, since there's one facing each way, let's grab this one. I just want to get it on there because I know for sure that I want it there. There. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it so much. I don't know if I'm going to do this one yet. I haven't decided. Because I still got to fit to do boxes. So let's come back over here. Let's get some more red on this page so we feel more comfortable, because right now it just looks really stark with the red band across the top and the bottom. So I pulled these bullet points. I love them. They're so cute. Little red hearts. So I'm going to put 5 of those on each day. And then I have, these are the new swishies from Girl Boss Anna. I have the link to this in the description box. The Planner Boss Collective sale is over, but you can still get 10% off if you use my code Judi, Judi 10. And she will be restocking. She sold out. The sale went really well for her, which I love because she's a small business. But she is going to be restocking a lot. So if you check out the website and you're bummed because there's not tons there, don't be bummed. She's restocking a bunch of stuff. So... And I'm wondering now to myself if those are too burgundy and I need a different color. Let me get my hearts on there and then we'll reassess. Although there's, yeah, they look fine. There's more burgundy on that side. So I'm just going to go with it, you guys. That looks so much better now that I've got some red on the page. Okay, back over to this side. I need my 2 boxes. I think what I'm gonna do is draw right on the page with a, I have a micro perm, my new favorite permanent black pen from Sakura. And I'm gonna use this stencil. I believe this is a pen and gear stencil that I got a while back at Walmart, which I don't think they sell them anymore, but there are tons and tons and tons of Bujo stencils on Amazon that you can get. So anyway, this one's got these little hearts I can use for my checklist. So I'm just going to draw in about 2 sets of 8, I think. So I'm going to put one, I'm going to come right here against the writing, and then I'm going to bring the other one, I think maybe over a little bit. And I'm guessing I'm not going to have room for that second tiger because I still got to get my, habit trackers on there too. So, but I'm just, it's the first week of the month, so I don't have all the prep stuff that I normally have, like to get ready for the next month. The last week of the month is way busier than the first week. So I'm gonna pull, if I can get it, there we go, the videos sticker for this box. So this will be my YouTube video stuff. I'm just gonna start it right up at the top and over away from the discs as far as I can. And then I'm going to let this spacing hold. It's a little bit smaller than normal, but it's not smaller than the right hand side, so it'll be totally fine. So I'm just going to put 8 of these on there, and then I'll do the next one. I think I want a slightly bolder pen. That's a little bit light. Here is an Arteza Inconic. Let's see if that does a better job. No, it's about the same. That's okay. Last try, let's try this Papermate Flare and see if it does a better job. I'm going to go over them one more time with the Papermate Flare. It should be a little fatter, a little brighter line. That's better. That's more bold. That's the word I was looking for. Excellent. Okay, I think I want to put, so that's going to be 1 set of boxes. I think maybe I'll put my habit trackers in the middle and then put my other set of boxes, or let's see, if I come down to here. Yeah, I almost have room to put the second set of boxes, squeeze it right in here before this bump out in the writing. So let's go ahead and do that. So videos is kind of small. Let's go with themes. They're kind of on par with each other. Okay, 8 more of these. Perfect. 8 and 8. I love it. So we need 3 habit trackers. So for habit trackers, I pulled my habit tracker book and I found 2 gold ones. These 2 gold ones. These came out of one of the recollection sticker books, like the farmhouse or the sassy one that had the cats in it. And then these are kind of brownish black. So I think I'll use the 2 gold ones and the black one. And I just need to decide. So there's what 3 across would look like, and it's too much. So if I do 2 across and then the 3rd one underneath for my set of 3, I think that'll be okay. So I'm going to come over closer to the words though, or the Japanese Asian characters. Spit it out, Jude. These will be a little hard to write on because they're right up by the discs, but I can make it work. And then let's grab a black one for the 3rd. And I just pulled these out and stuck them on sticker paper from Happy Planner books that I had used, pages I had used up. So there we go. Those are my 3. Okay. And I don't have any room for a quote, you guys. Like, I don't, let alone forget the other tiger. I have no room for a quote. If I want to keep all this showing, which I do. So I was thinking I could do some kind of quote somewhere, but I just don't have room. I don't even have room for the, like I said, the second tiger, so I'll save him. Although the year of the tiger isn't going to come around again for, what is it, 12 years? So, make a life you love. I could use that here as the weekend banner since it's gold. Just looking at what else is on the page. Oh my gosh. There we go. Because I don't want to put it down here. It won't show up over the kitties, but I could put it here. It's a little hard to read, but I can see it. Okay, that's cute. Let's grab a coffee cup and we'll be done, you guys. This is a fast one. So, I got my coffee book. So both this one and the bullet point books, I will link in the cards up above. I'll try to remember making my own sticker book. So anytime there was a book, like a student book or a teacher book, a book that had a full page of coffee cups or a full page of habit trackers, I pulled it out. And I like this kind of orangey red one and the black one. So maybe I'll use 2 black ones though, because I was thinking orangey red over here, but I think I want the black. Yeah, there we go. And then I'm not sure, since it's going to kind of get lost and hidden inside by the discs, I don't want anything. Sometimes I put stuff in the corner of these 2 boxes, but since it's going right up toward the discs, I don't think I do. I think it's going to be wasted. So let me show you how I'm going to put my planner. So this page, so if you haven't watched yet my setup video for February for my transformer setup, you won't know what this is. So this one goes in just the way it is, no Frankenplanning required. This one, I Frankenplanned in a couple of notes pages. So I have, long story short, I have my calendar, and then this is actually out of a vertical because I liked the dividers. And then I go to 2 pieces of happy notes or just any lined paper so I can write down all the different challenges and things for my themes. And then instead of the back side of the note paper, I need to go to my first of my dashboard weeks, but I replaced that with this. So instead of Frankenplanning these 2 together, I need to Frankenplan these 2 together. So I turn from the themes to my first week. So I'm going to go all the way around this page with some tape runner, even in between the punches. Okay, now we'll line this up. Perfect. There we go, you guys. There is my Lunar New Year spread. I love it. So pretty, red and gold. Just says very Asian to me, so I love this spread. Okay, I hope you like this video. I hope it encourages you to have some fun and try some new, different, wild and out there themes. I love to look up all the holidays and just see what catches my eye and like, oh, I have a bunch of those stickers I never use. I could use those. So if you do like this video, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.